What's going on, my fellow miners? Welcome back to Crypto Game Mining. Today is our weekly update. Now, considering how I didn't do my weekly update for the past, I think, 2 weeks, technically this would be a bi-weekly update. But I've been in the process of moving. We finally moved and getting my studio set up. My, everything still in the works, but we're going to go ahead and look at this because this week has been a fantastic week for mining, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that Bitcoin and Ethereum and pretty much the whole crypto market has gone up. I think Bitcoin touched back to 40K this week. It didn't stay there, but it's okay. It's fine. Look, anytime we get a rise in cryptocurrency, I'm happy for it because then that means my profits go up. But regardless, this week has been fantastic for mining, not just because the crypto market is back up, but because when there's a lot of trades going on in the crypto market, specifically with Ethereum, typically miners are paid more because there's more transaction fees, there's more gas fees, so to speak, and later on with the full on incorporation of EIP 1559, it'll be, I think they're calling it tips instead of gas fees. I think they're paying tips to miners. So, that's how it's going to go. But let's go ahead and take a look at this. And this is my weekly graph here as far as the mining and my pay rate. Now, there has been, like I said, some really, really good mining days here. And I don't know about you guys, but for me, I've noticed that there was a good solid days where my mining payments fluctuated anywhere between, I think it was $8 a day to $15 a day. I actually posted those screenshots in my Discord. Now, for context, if you guys are catching me for the first time, I have 3 cards that I mine off of. I have a 3060, which is my main GPU that I use in my PC for gaming, for live streaming, for video recording, and I'm mining when I'm not doing any of the above. Then I have my 2070, which is always mining, and I have my 1060 6 gig, which is always mining as well. So I am always mining, but big dips and breaks in pay rate, things like that you'll see on this graph, can be explained because I'm live streaming, so I'm not mining as much, or I'm recording videos, so I'm not mining as much because my 3060 is turned off from mining when I'm recording or live streaming or gaming, and then maybe some power outages or whatever. Like I said, I've been in the process of moving, so we finally got everything set up, but I had to get my rig set up properly so that way I wouldn't trip the breaker here in the garage. Which you can see right here on this one. There is there's a gap right here, and here, let me back out a little bit so you guys can see this. So right here, there's a gap right here because I probably tripped the power, and it looks like I did because that was 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. So yeah, I had tripped the power, and then I didn't realize that I did that, and then it took me an hour to get it back up. Over here, this is when I'm recording videos, so that's why it's down. As well as over here, you see again I'm recording videos around that time. Same thing here, 1 a.m. This is me live streaming. That's what this is. So anytime you see dips like this is especially long dips like this. This is me live streaming, recording videos, doing what I do. Big jumps like this, though, this is what we're talking about here. The big jumps. These are really big jumps. These are big spikes right here. These big pay rates. This is the market when Bitcoin shot back up, when Ethereum shot back up. So everybody is getting paid more because there's a lot of transactions going on. So where it would say, you guys can't see it, but at the top where it says actual profitability. The actual profitability around these times when the jumps happen, when the spikes happen, were that anywhere between $8 to $11 in the day. And that's important to note because that's where we're getting our good payments. So let's go ahead and scroll down so we can see these payments in action. You can see right here, anytime we see, okay, let's put it into perspective here. My average mining payment in BTC through NiceHash. Okay, this is through NiceHash. My average mining payment is 25. Let's say 25 BTC. Not 25 BTC. I'm sorry. Point zeros. It's 4 zeros and then 25. That's what I meant to say. So from this point forward, you're just gonna be hear me say the numbers. I'm not gonna put the zeros in front of it. So 25 is my my average for the mining payment. Okay, so big jumps. You're always going to see fluctuations. You're going to see like 26. You're going to see 27. You're going to see 24. The big jumps is what we're looking at. We're looking at the 29s. We're looking at the 3s. Those are the big ones that are going to be important moving forward. Let's see how far back this goes. The 24th. Okay, so 24th right here. So we got 28. That was a decent jump. 23. I'm sorry, 23. 34. 3. Look at these. Look at these right here. These are the big jumps right before the 24th. I did not cash out just yet on this part. So we got 28. We got another 3, 28, 33. This was a good payment right here. This is probably that big spike that happened where it was probably around $11 a day at the time. Scrolling back up here. So you got 20. That's probably me live streaming. If that's midnight, yeah, that's me live streaming. So during that time, my mining is going to be less. 27, 29 right here is another big one. 4 p.m. Again, anytime you have big trading going on, you're going to see those spikes happen. And overall, this has been a very, very good mining period for me. I'm very happy. I'm ready to cash out or get my mining stuff transferred over to my Coinbase wallet, so that way I can go ahead and put it into whatever I want to put it into, whether it's going to be putting it into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Algorand, whatever I'm currently holding, because there's a few cryptocurrencies that I'm holding, and if you want me to talk about the different cryptocurrencies, I will, because I'm always curious as to see what you guys are mining, what you guys are holding, more importantly, because the market depends on us as holders of cryptocurrency, like holders, buyers, sellers. That's how the market fluctuates. So the more people that are holding and selling certain cryptocurrencies, that cryptocurrency is more likely to go up or down. Typically, if they're selling, it's going to go down. If they're buying, it's going to go up. That's just the way that it works. Don't buy into FOMO. Just, not financial advisor, but just don't buy into FOMO. Okay. Usually if a cryptocurrency is being talked about constantly and everybody's all hype about it, it's probably too late to jump in there. You want to jump in before it gets all hype. So anyways, again, not financial advice. I thought I'd just throw that in there. Thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate it. Again, let me know down in the comment section if you would like me to talk about going into more specifics as to which cryptocurrencies I'm holding and why. I'm certainly happy to do that. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys are holding and how your mining has been this week, because this week has been really good. With that, I will see you guys later. Everybody, happy mining.